We chose to bring our kids to Inspire Kids Montessori because the teaching staff is very dedicated to our child's development.
I actually have two kids. One is still here in Inspire Kids Montessori, the other one is Aiden. And we like Montessori because it allows my kid to learn really fast.
My twin boys, Brian is kind of energetic to a degree of being overactive. Howard is a little bit on the slower side in terms of development. So I'm glad that the teachers here were able to develop a different approach toward their development.
I visited probably 5 or 6 local schools. A lot of them are really chaotic, and when I walked into IKM, all the kids were in their place, doing their work, studying words, learning to read, doing math, and I thought that was the environment that I wanted my child to have.
I love Montessori education. I love the environment here. And third, my daughter Ivy loved the teacher, all of the teacher here.
We wanted something more than just a daycare, so this was a way where he could kind of gain more independence and build his social skills.
Him being an only child, we really wanted him to be with other kids his age and older so that he could develop the social skills since an early age.
His teacher was in the toddler school was from Guatemala, and we wanted a bilingual education for him, and she spoke to him in Spanish the whole time, and now he has a teacher from Mexico. And the diversity of the kids in the class too. I know 2 of his good friends are Chinese too, and just a lot of diversity with culture is a big part of it.
She does a lot of rhymes. She can say colors, numbers, and she's very good around kids these days. Previously, she's her first kid, so she used to be at home, not interacting with other kids. But now, I see a lot of confidence in the way she interacts with kids.
She's 5 years old. She reads fully. That sign says this. What does your shirt say? The thirst for knowledge is really there. My son, who is 2.5 in the toddler program, he can do everything independently but well. He gets himself dressed at 2.5 and feeds himself and cleans up after himself and puts things away. It's amazing.
He is so much more ahead of other children his age. Within a few days he was already walking fully, running really, and you can just see he absolutely loves it here. So we absolutely love it. He picks his own wardrobe every day, and he just speaks really well. People understand him. He knows his full alphabet. He can count in both English and Spanish. Just things that I don't think I could have probably taught him on my own. So things that he definitely gets from coming here.
I was really impressed with how clean the facility was, and all the teachers were really caring. What was amazing about it is he didn't know that he was actually studying. He just thought he was playing. So he just loved learning, and he still does love learning. And I think that's because of the Montessori. He tested 99 percentile in math last year, so he's in a gifted class all day.
To me, safety was very important for preschoolers. After seeing his improvement and his growth and what he learned, we decided to enroll our daughter too. I'm glad that we made that decision. All the teachers that we have had so far are wonderful. If they're looking for a place that is safe, the place that encourages learning, exploration, this will be the place.
Anyone looking for a great school should look into IKM.
I've already recommended multiple parents to Inspire Kids Montessori. This school has it all.
I definitely recommend bringing your children to Inspire Kids Montessori because of the clean and educational environment that you're going to get here.
You're not going to find a higher dedication to the children's development as a whole anywhere else that you'll find here.
It's fun.
Because it's fun. Learning made fun. That's what they should call the school.